Hello everyone, draw the lines like this on a white sheet. Now using different colors, we will make different types of flowers. Make these stems and leaves using green color marker. Second one will be making the circles like this and then outline it using white color to make the roses. Third one will be again making the flowers to make the tulips like this. Fourth one, make the flowers using blue color, make the leaves like this and your flowers are ready. Next, we will take a white sheet and draw the face on it like this. Now make the ears, eyes of the kitty, draw the hairs on its face. Now third one will be making a cute bunny, draw its ears like this. Fourth one will be making a cute animal like this and it's ready. Next, we will take a white sheet and draw different types of leaves on it. Draw the lines like this. Now, making different shapes, we will be making different types of leaves. Third one, join the dotted lines like this and then outline it and color it. Fourth one will be drawing the star leaf like this. Color it and it's ready. Next, draw the circles on the white sheet. Now draw the eyes, nose and mouth on it. Fill different colors in each circle like this. Draw the legs, eyes of the cute bunny on the first one. Second one will be making a cute ladybird. So draw its eyes, make different patterns on its body using black marker like this. Draw its legs as shown in the video and then make its legs on the sides and your ladybird will be ready. Third one will be making a honeybee. So draw the lines inside it using black marker. Fill it with color. Now make its sting on the back, draw its eyes, make its antenna like this and then make its wings on the sides and color it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, fourth one will be making a cute animal, so draw its eyes, nose and mouth like this. Make its legs, draw its hand, make a tail on the back, make its ears, make the hairs on its face, color it like this and it's ready. I hope you liked it. For more such interesting videos, follow our page. Next, we'll be making 4 different types of vehicles on the white sheet. First, we are making a taxi. So draw these windows and the wheels of it like this. Second one, we'll be making a fire brigade. Make its front part, make the ladder on its back like this and it's ready. Third one, we'll be making an ambulance. Draw its windows like this, make a siren on the top like this and make a plus sign. Fourth one, we'll be making a bus. So draw the windows on it like this, make the doors, color it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.